welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have a large Deco mesh bow tutorial for you using the 10-inch Deco mesh, and this is 10 inches by 10 yards, and I just ordered this online from Craft Outlet. And you'll need about one roll if you're making like a huge bow for the top of your Christmas tree. And you're also going to need some floral wire. This is 20 gauge floral wire, and I picked it up at Walmart, and your scissors. Pinch your mesh together, slide your right hand down it, making a loop, place it in your left hand, slide your right hand down your mesh, making another loop, place it in your left hand. This is real simple. You're just going to keep sliding your hand down your mesh, making loops on each side the same size. So just keep it nice and tight in your hand and just slide your hand down your mesh, making your loops the same size. And then you're going to want to have the floral wire close by for when you get the bow the size you want. Now I am making a big bow that would be perfect for the top of a Christmas tree, so I'm going to use almost all of this roll. You could also use the 21-inch Deco mesh and do the same steps to make a bow, or the 6-inch Deco mesh, but this is the 10-inch Deco mesh, and it does make a huge, big, fluffy, pretty bow. And you can hold your mesh in your left hand or your right hand, just use whichever hand you're most comfortable with. So I did not cut off a tail, I just cut it off short. Now I'm taking a piece of floral wire, wrapping it nice and tight around the center of my bow. Now if you're wanting to add streamers to go down your Christmas tree, you could, after you twist this wire a few times, cut a few strips of streamers, pinch them in the center, then twist them in the wire to hang on each side of your tree. Now I am just fluffing and shaping my bow, so just kind of open up your loops. They're kind of folded together, so just spread out each of your loops. And this just makes a huge, fun, fluffy bow that you could use on a garland, on a wreath, on a mailbox, on a lantern, on your Christmas tree. And you don't have to make it as big as this one. You can make it as full as you want. You could use more than one color if you wanted to. And I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel. I even have a bow tutorial playlist that I'll link for you in the description box. But here's how my Deco mesh bow looks once I have it fluffed. And then now I'm just going to take the wires, take them to the top of the Christmas tree, and twist them around the top of the Christmas tree. And like I said, this is so simple. You can use it on whatever craft project you're working on. I do have an older tutorial where I made one with the large 21-inch Deco mesh, so I'll link that tutorial if you would like to see how the 21-inch mesh looks in a big, beautiful Christmas tree topper bow.